Hey David, thanks for taking my call this afternoon. We're excited to hopefully work with you and help you guys figure things out with from the VA front. I did want to run this idea by you in regards to Kelvin. I know it's kind of in a rush compared to kind of when you want to make decisions, but um, as we look at his resume here, he has over a year of experience in the insurance field. He has been using systems that you guys are familiar with and that you're using in-house, like PL Raider. I know that that was really important for you at when we initially talked. He does also have a lot of experience as far as being a computer technician in different places. So he's going to know how to work his Wi-Fi, work his monitors, and always be efficient from that end. Um, I do want to mention that, like we said, we do have a call later this afternoon with another agent that is very likely to take him. We also do have another agent on Monday afternoon that's going to be needing someone of this caliber um, as soon as he gets back out of town. So the one thing that we need from you to get this guy reserved, and I feel like I said before, that he's going to be one of the best fits for your office, is just that initial setup fee, and he'll be locked for you guys. If you can let me know by around 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that would be great. So that way I know exactly whether I can use him for my next call later this afternoon at 3 o'clock. If that's too soon to make a decision, I mean, we can run some other VAs past you in the future, but this is one that I don't feel like you're going to want to pass on. Look forward to hearing back from you, and if you could let me know if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.